Good morning. In this video we are going to discuss about screw jack. So this is assemble drawing. So here onwards we are going to start with the solid, and the solid edge software as a solid part. So those things we have to do in the solid part. So this carries the assemble drawing 30 marks, totally it carries the 50 marks, 30 marks for the computerization and 20 marks for the sketching. What to do in the sketching means, so these are all the views should have to be memorized and to draw in the sketchbook without having any dimensions. Approximately these shapes, okay, and does not require any dimensions over here. So this shape neatly should have to draw over in the sketch sheet. So whatever things they are asking, suppose the sectional front view and top view means the both the views, if you draw then only can get the 20 marks. So these are all the things is very important. So it carries the 20 marks over here. Okay, but while doing in the computer it will take some 30 marks. Okay, and comes to here in the while doing the computer, first we have to create all the component in the system. After that, with the help of assemble mode, we are going to make the assembly. Once if we are done assembly, then only we will get the mark. So if we complete all the parts and we could not complete the assembly over there, will not get any marks over there. Okay, then comes to here, first we will see about the how the plumber block is there, that animation you can see over here. So sorry, screw jack, the screw jack, so there are so 8 components are there. So it will be hiring and lowering the screw jack. Already people know that screw jack, it is used to withstand the weight for a certain period. So for that it can be used, and this is the screw washer. The washer it's look like this shape. So washer it is used to sit at the screw top. So for that purpose washer it will be used, and it is going to join with the cup with the screw spindle. For that screw and washer it will be used. And comes to the screw spindle, that is the thing. This is the body part. So in the body part, so the shape is like this. So once we will see one by one parts how to create those things. Okay, so before going to that, first we have to see the this one, part drawings. So these are the part drawing. Once if you read through the part drawing, once you can read the part drawing, other thing it will be very easy over here. So here this is the column is called a bill of material column. Bill of material column, and they provide everything about the details of the part drawing. Okay, so there are 7 components are there, what type of material it is there, how many components are there. So all those things they are given here, and also what type of projection, it may be first angle projection or third angle projection, all those things they are given over here. Who has prepared and who has designed, drawn, checked, standard, approved, all those things they provided, and revision number, date, changed, approved. So those details also it will available. Suppose any of the data is missing, suppose the small fillet sizes and other thing, those details they given here over here. Okay, radian chamfer is 1 into 45 degree, like all the details they will given in the bill of material column. So this will be very important over in the part drawing sheet. Then comes into the part drawing. So first component is the body they given as a only one view, that is sectional, half sectional front view. Then comes into the second one, they are given as a 2 views, that is front half sectional front view and top view. Then comes into the third one, only one view they given, in that you can consider as a front view. Here they are making as a partially sectioned one. Then fourth one again two view, here full sectional view as well as the top view. Then fifth one, the fifth one is the washer. So they are given two views, front view and side view, sectional side view they are given. And same like sixth one, they are given as a front view as well as side view. So sixth is the CSK screw, and seventh one is the Tommy bar, only one view they given. Okay, so these drawings we are going to draw over here. So first, once again we will see the that video. So here so in the body part, almost the middle, the hole will be there. So these are all the things we couldn't able to identify, but the thing is the small cutout, the portion has to be removed over here. So that is the point should have to remember over here. Why? Because of that is the thing, it comes over this small 3 mm gap. And also this is the edge, one more edge, it comes inside. Okay, so that edge also you should have to be remember. So while rotating this body part, you can have to be see over that. So this is the thing is called it as those edge I shown in the that part drawing sheet. So this is the edge. Okay, so once if you know these things, the remaining thing you can able to easily draw over here. So this is about the part. So first I am going to create the solid part with the, so go with the solid part mode. And here there are, if you see the tools, there are two tool bars are there. So one is the drawing, another one it will be a surface one. This is we are not using over here. If you see over here, only the protrusion, revolve protrusion is available. That means only if you created the product or part over here, then the remaining toolbars it can be visible. Why? Because of it is used to create the part. So here without part we could not do any modification or any cutout over there. So that's what this toolbars has to be hidden over here. So first we are going to do with the, so this entire screw jack we can go and draw with the revolve protrusion command itself. So this is the easiest one in the assemble drawing. So with the help of revolved protrusion, all other drawing has to be all other parts we can going to draw over here. So in this one body part only I have to make it this part, and axis of revolution as in the middle. If you select the axis of revolution as a middle, so this part has to be that body part has to be created over here. So the body part they are given as a off sectional front view because of to identify so the what is there in the inside. Then comes to here, the other side it has the front view, normal front view. It look like a front view. Okay, based upon these things we are going to draw. First I am going to create these portions. So first go over here, select revolve protrusion. Here there are 3 planes. This is the front plane, and this is the top plane, and this is the right side plane. So as the view they provided as a front view, so according to that we are going to draw. So we can go with the front view itself. Select a revolve protrusion, go and select the front and select a line. So from only one of I am going to draw, so that from axis here to other dimensions I am going to draw. So from here to 100 mm distance for here, and again 140 mm. So these things I am going to draw with a 2 lines. So because going to create this part only, to create this line, what to do, from middle to here one reference line I am going to draw. So that 2 lines I am going to draw over here. Select a line. So from here to 100 mm line, sorry, 100 means, so it has to be draw as only one side. I am going to create a 50 mm line. Okay, so after creating the 50 mm line, so from here to again, so total distance is 140. 140 means already we have drawn 100, so remaining is 40. So 40 means 40 divided by 2, 20 is coming this side, another 20 is come the other side. So from here to 20 mm line. Then height is the 20. So 20 I am going to draw here. Enter. Then comes to towards left side. How much mm it has to go? So those lengths they given here as a 100 over here. So that again from here to 20 mm, because we are more in the 140 mm length. So 140 means 70. So 70 minus 50, 20 mm. So 20 mm I am going to move over here. 20. So after that, this inclined line angle they are not provided, so that again we can go to the top. From top to we have to make this one. Okay, so select a line again. So from here to height, what is the height? So our height is a 185 mm. So from here to again 2 more lines I am going to draw. So height is 185 mm, 185. Enter, give fit. Then from here to the pi 50 and total 70. So pi 50 means 25. So this end up to this end 35 mm length. So 25 first I am going to draw one line, and 10 mm I am going to draw another line. So 25 and 10. Enter. So after drawing this line, I am going to move towards down, that is the 40 mm line over here. Even that also they have given over here, 40 mm line. Then I can move towards left side. So that left side, what is the distance? So they have given here as a pi 66 mm. Pi 66 means pi 66 means already so 33 from the middle. So already we are moved into the up to 35 mm. So 35 minus 33, remaining is 2 mm. So that 2 mm I move towards to the left side. So after moving the 2 mm over here, and I am going to give fit. So that I am going to join with this line. Okay, so like this I am going to create the particular things. So now this is the line I drawn for the reference purpose. Even this line also I am going to drawn for the reference purpose. So this line I am going to delete it. Okay, now the next step, this 3 mm line going to create it. So go over here, select this 3 mm line. I am going to draw over here. 3 mm line going to create over here. So after creating this 3 mm line, and this is the line I am going to make at certain distance without having any giving the dimension, because of here the edge distance they have not given. Maybe they given in the new book. If they are given or not given also, it's not a issue. Why? Because of this line dimensions they given. That means the inclined line, and the distance they given is a 10 mm distance. So that I am going to select a offset command over here. Select the offset command, and here I am going to change a single. The distance is 10 mm I am going to change, and select a line. This is the line I am going to move over here. Left right click and left click, again right click. So that line has to be created over here. So these lines I am going to trim over here as well as in the top. Then going to give the extend to next over here. So that extended towards the 3 mm line. Then I am going to give a trim option. So after giving the trim option, the thing has to be created over here. Now what are all the other things I have to do? So radius 8. So this is the radius I am going to create it. So radius 8. So for to do this one, go to the fillet option, select this as well as this, use of 8 mm radius. Okay, so like this way you have to create this. And also, even if you see over here the small curve, even here also the small curve, that things you have to create. So those curve distance they have not given, so that this from here to here 2 mm it will be course. So in that half we can take it as a fillet radius. Okay, if you given more than that, means what happens, that lines it could not connect, so it won't come. So that we can give in that half over there. So select that line, go to the fillet option, this as well as this one as 1 mm. Okay, this fillet has to be created. Then the bottom one. So even this also, here also they have not given any dimension. So for this I am going to select as a 1 mm. 1. Okay, so because we can assume over here nominally over this. Okay, so after this what we have to do, so I'm going to check once again over this one. So what is the radius of this? Select fillet, this line having the radius of 8 mm, so it's coming like 8 mm only, so not a issue. So after this, go to the axis of revolution. This is the axis of revolution, give return. So give fit option and go to here, select this option as a revolve position, revolving 30 degree, sorry 360 degree, or otherwise you can give over here as a angle. So any one thing you can give. So first initially I am going to give angle. The next component itself I am going to select the particular to 360 degree. Okay, so 360 degree, enter, then left and right click. So the component has to be created, the body part has to be created. This I am going to save as a, and desktop, creating the folder as a screw jack, and I'm going to store over in this one as a component name itself. Then only while doing the assembling we can retrieve it easily. Otherwise to searching the part itself it will take time. Okay, so give the body part itself. Then I'm going to close this one. So like this way you can create this body part even in the single profile itself. So we can create it. So that means this is the profile. So with the help of this profile, the body part, entire body part, we can create it over there. So this will not come for the other drawing. Other drawing we create the body first initially one part, from that we can add or cut out, like that we have to do. But in the screw jack, even in the single profile, it has to be come over there. Okay, so that is the thing you have to remember over here. So with that we are going to finish this particular video. So after saving this, you can give save, then going to stop this one.